Hello my friends, welcome to my new video. This time I draw Lucario, the Aura Pokemon. Like this video and share it with your friends. Support me by subscribe, click the bell, don't miss a video, let's go.
Just a little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. 2 a.m. wide awake, talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right. No, I don't know how the days gone by. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. Every now and again, I trace my steps back to then. Oh, go by. Searching for the moments I'm a little less 25. A little less 25. A little less, a little less. Searching for the moments I'm a little less 20. A little less 25.
Here we are, we locked down in different cities, and our virtual connection falls apart. Guess it's been too many years since California. Now the memories of us is all I have. See, one day I'm gonna reach ya, take a plane for many miles. We pretend that time didn't pass us by when we're on Mulholland Drive. I know it won't be long before dawn, gotta be patient for a while. Someday we look at stars in distant sky, when I'm on the other side.
And finish it! Lucario, now a member from Akatasuki. What do you think? Comment down below. Thanks for watching, have a great day, see ya next time.